people are going to be looking for indoor activities this weekend.
Yes, and our Easter egg hunt will also have to be indoors, and I'll show you why in just a moment. We actually had a brief break this afternoon. We're still underneath a mainly cloudy sky, but we are going to see still a parade of storms that's going to move in for all areas along the south coast. We're currently sitting at 13 degrees with the winds at 13 kilometers per hour. A few spotty showers are going to start to pick up this evening, but this is what we're tracking. This is a system for tomorrow and then another one in behind it on Sunday, and that'll likely be the wetter one with very windy conditions right across the board. We do have a special weather statement that has been issued along the south coast. We could see upwards between 30 and upwards of 100 millimeters total from tonight leading in towards our Sunday. In all areas that are in green, that's where we're seeing the special weather statement. With that range, higher amounts will be along the North Shore Mountains, extending in towards Howe Sound. We're also seeing this wind warning along the Sunshine Coast, eastern areas of the island, with gusts of up to 90 kilometers per hour and very windy for areas near Haida Gwaii, with sustained winds at 90 and gusts of up to 110 kilometers per hour. So very active weather through the weekend. We are going to see that first wave on Saturday, and then behind it, this will likely be the wetter one for our Sunday. If you're planning ahead for Monday, we'll still see the potential for some rainfall before it really does start to ease off. Now, the northern half of the province, very wet and windy conditions will take us in towards the morning hours. Inland areas near Smithers, it'll be cold enough that we could still see some wet flurries changing over to a chance for some showers. The northeastern corners of the province with a mix of sun and cloud, dry conditions for the central interior. The southern half of the province for the interior, a nice break between systems, but if you're making plans, we are going to see that rain moving in for the evening hours and taking us in towards our Sunday. Bit of mixed precipitation will be for areas near Whistler for the morning hours, changing over to a chance for some showers. Very wet and windy conditions. A few areas could see those winds picking up 30 and gusts of up to 60 kilometers per hour. So plan ahead. We are going to see a blustery weekend, likely wetter in towards our Sunday. Lower mainland will still see a few double digits for eastern areas extending into the Fraser Valley. It's on and off rainfall, but through the day tomorrow it'll be very windy at times, similar for our Sunday. Bit of a break through the day on Monday with some showers, and then it picks up once again towards the evening. Bright spot, Colleen, Wednesday. Back into a mix of sun and clouds. Still a few days out.
Great. We'll all be at work. Okay. Thanks, Yvonne. You know, they were probably a little soggy.
Yeah, it's okay if they're soggy.
That's okay. Definitely soggy treats this weekend.
Yeah, Easter egg hunt. We're going to plan it indoors if possible on Sunday, and I'll show you why. It's going to be a soaker. We're tracking a parade of storms, and we've got back-to-back systems. Right now, it's been dry out there. We've got a brief break. We've got a mainly cloudy sky. Temperatures are sitting at 11 degrees. Through the day today, we bumped up to closer to 13. Average sits at 12. Last year, we were at 13 degrees. And notice, 23 degrees. That was set back in 1977. Overnight tonight, it'll be a chance of showers, but the heavier rain picks up with very windy conditions tomorrow, anywhere between 30. We could see gusts of up to 60 kilometers per hour, and through the afternoon, highs just getting up to 9 degrees. It'll be a touch cooler. There's the system that will track for Saturday, and then the one in behind it for Sunday, and likely wetter on Sunday, so do keep that in mind. Here's the special weather statement once again, blanketing the south coast, 30 and up to 150 millimeters tonight, taking us in towards Sunday night. And those winds along the eastern edge of the island and the Sunshine Coast, gusts of up to 90 kilometers per hour. Very windy this evening for areas near Haida Gwaii, sustained winds at 90 and gusts of up to 110 kilometers per hour, taking us in towards tomorrow morning before we start to see a break. Here's the weather maker for Saturday. That swath of moisture, even wetter on Sunday, and will likely hang on to another round of rain by Monday night. Now, coastal areas for tomorrow will bump up to 16 degrees. The central and southern half of the province, southern interior will have a nice break tomorrow, likely seeing that rain moving in for Sunday night, and then a look ahead towards our Monday. Areas along the island and the lower mainland, we'll see the rainfall heavy at times, even wetter on Sunday. Be prepared. Monday, the next round of rain moving in towards the evening. Breaks once again will be on our Wednesday with highs up to 12. All right, Colleen, gorgeous shot. This weather window is captured by Al. The sunrise in the morning from Peachland. Back to you.
Stunning. All right. Thanks so much, Yvonne. A new discovery.